Breaking: Court gives judgment in defection suit against Pro-Wike Rivers lawmaker. The Federal High Court in Port Harcourt has struck out a suit filed to challenge the defection of 27 members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. Oh, they've struck it out. Can you just imagine? Hey, Nigeria, my country. It is well, okay. To challenge the defection of 27 members of the Rivers State House of Assembly from the People's Democratic Party, PDP, to All Progressive Congress, APC. The case, brought by the Labour Party, sought a declaration that the lawmakers' seat be rendered vacant following the alleged defection. However, in a ruling delivered on Tuesday, Justice Emmanuel A. Obile dismissed the case. You have dismissed the case. Can you just imagine? Just like that. On what grounds? On what grounds did they dismiss the case? Justice Obile based his decision on a recent Supreme Court judgment, which, according to him, has already dealt with the legal question. It did not deal with any legal question surrounding the issue of defection. Can you imagine? So people that were thinking that, okay, there's still hope, that this case, they were supposed to judge it before they had to go to Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court will give them the opportunity to go back to their seats. This court now is not saying that they are striking it out. Can you just imagine what is going on in this country? It has already been dealt with. When? He noted that the Apex Court ruling served as a binding precedent, effectively rendering the Labour Party case redundant. Can you imagine? The justice held that he lacked the jurisdiction to adjudicate on the matter that has been conclusively determined by the Apex Court. Martins Nwachukwu, an aide to Speaker Martins Amaewhule, one of the principal defendants in the matter, confirmed his court's decision via a social media post. Counsel for the defendant had urged the court to dismiss the suit, citing a recent Supreme Court judgment. Because of the Supreme Court judgment, so because of that, you dismiss that one? I don't get it. They presented a certified true copy of the Apex Court decision, which the defendant said reaffirmed the leadership of the Assembly under Amaewhule, and noted that Governor Siminalayi Fubara had withdrawn the allegation of defection in a separate case at the Federal High Court in Abuja. Labour Party counsel Clifford Chukwu, however, argued that the issue of defection remained a collateral matter and urged the court to proceed with the case. Exactly. Why would you just strike it out because of what Supreme Court said? Referencing the body of evidence already before it. It is well in this country. Abeg, these people, they are the ones running the courts, because I don't understand. You are supposed to judge on a matter. And I'm saying that because Supreme Court has said this one, so you are not going to judge on the matter again. Now, wow. It is well. Emeka Emeka says, I've seen it coming, Abi. Anyway, the judgment is not wrong, because the Supreme Court judgment settles it all. The truth is that Nigeria is now practicing a new kind of law. Exactly. They are practicing a new kind of law because politicians have taken over all the institutions in the country. Before Supreme Court gave that judgment that, that they should go back to their seats and go and start ruling as the lawmaker back and making decisions and telling Fubara to come and review the budget to them, this case was supposed to be judged first at this one that they are now striking out. Now, because Supreme Court has said they should be reinstated back, this one is now saying there's no point. There's no point judging on the matter again. So that the Supreme Court has already... it is well. It is well, because I don't even know what to say. Chris Welly says, I can never allow my children to study anything called law again, because I have seen that the law does not exist in Nigeria again at all. If anybody studying law right now, except you want to become lawless like the lawmakers that we have in this country, you're just wasting your time. It's just a total waste of time. Except, of course, you're going to do it and leave the country and go and study and go and practice elsewhere. Because practicing law in this country is a sham. I don't know what we are doing. This is not law. This is not law at all. Matthew Adejo says, judiciary a wasting of time and resources, including energy. No good thing has ever come out of them. Yes. That's why I say people that are carrying these people to court now, it's just a waste of time, because you already know that they are the owners of the judges in courts, and everything is going to be done in their favor. It's going to be done in their favor. All the PDP governors trying to sue the president, the other man too trying to sue the president, it's just a waste of time. They'll just stress you, they will be coming. They will adjourn, they will stress, they will do all sorts of things. At the end of the day, they will still rule in the favor of the person that you carry to court. It is well, nothing is working in this country, but let's just accept it. Oluwatosin Richard says Nigeria judicial system is no longer working since APC government inception. It is not though. It has become a joke. It has become a joke since APC came in. Like, nothing is working in the judiciary. Nothing. Mary Brain DBC says judicial rascality, even with several videos of them quoting law while he defected to APC, even wearing APC cap with broom, singing and jubilating. Big moving from PDP to APC. Yes, Supreme Court shamelessly gave kangaroo judgment that would destroy the peace of Rivers State, of course. There were evidences that they defected. They are now striking it out. They're now striking it out. Oh, Fubara should just stay in his house and be enjoying himself. You should leave the governorship to them because this is absolute rubbish. Joe Adventure says that since the outcome of this suit, since the Supreme Court judgment, judges all over the world are so smart to take a position. The day the court in USA pronounced Trump guilty in a criminal case but cannot serve punishment, it became clearer that this arm of government have a way of doing things to protect each other. Of course, they will say, oh, the president has immunity, the governor has immunity. They do something bad and you cannot prosecute them for it because they have immunity. To me, the Supreme Court went out of its way to give consent to a prayer, not before it. Exactly. They were not supposed to reinstate Amewule and his cohorts in the first place when there was a case pending in another court. They were supposed to give a ruling on that one before Supreme Court gave their own ruling. Supreme Court did that so that these ones can cancel their own. They know what they are doing. They know exactly what they are doing. This is well. Ayaride Jowotimi says, even with the obvious facts on defection from PDP to APC, Nigerian judicial system is corrupt and collapsed. It's gone now. It is gone. Very, very gone. Akindekule says, a totally corrupt judiciary. People should now understand what Dele Farotimi is saying in his book. Of course, we know that Dele Farotimi is not lying. We know. So, Kume Christian says, Nigeria is finished. Oh, now wow. Odokapi says, Nigeria judiciary of APC. Nigerians are doomed. God will help us. My listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.